In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Canva website into Shopify using the Canvify app. By the end, you'll have your Canva site living inside Shopify with just a few simple actions. Start in Canva, open the website design you want to use and publish it. In Canva, publishing makes your design viewable on the web, which is exactly what we need. Click Share, choose the website publishing option, and confirm it's set to be publicly accessible. Once Canva generates the website link, copy that link. A quick tip here, paste the link into a new browser tab and make sure it loads correctly. If the page opens and looks right, you're good to go. Next, head over to your Shopify admin. From your Shopify dashboard, click Apps. In the Apps area, search for Canvify and select it. Click Install to add it to your store. Canvify is a paid app, so follow the payment steps that appear in Shopify. You'll likely see a billing confirmation screen, review the plan details and any trial information if it's offered, then approve the charges. You may also be prompted to grant the app certain permissions so it can create or manage pages on your behalf. Accept those prompts to continue. Once installation is complete, open the Canvify app from your apps list. On the main screen, you'll find the field or button labeled Canva link. That's where you'll paste the website link you copied from Canva. Right below or beside that, add a clear title for your import. This title helps you identify the page inside Shopify later, so pick something descriptive, like your brand name or the section the page belongs to. Now click Import. Give it a moment to process. Depending on the size and complexity of your Canva site, this can take a little time. When the import finishes, you'll see a confirmation inside the app indicating the website has been brought into your Shopify store. From there, you can preview the result to make sure everything looks as expected. If something appears off, double-check that your Canva link is the correct published URL and that the content is updated in Canva before trying again. That's all there is to it. Publish in Canva and copy the link, open your Shopify admin and install Canvify, then paste the link, add a title and import. With these steps, your Canva website is now integrated into Shopify using Canvify. Thanks for watching and enjoy building out your store.